This is Puppets by Arlee, and this is how you make a marionette stomach. Now, to make a marionette stomach where there's flexible fabric in between the chest piece and the pelvis piece, you're going to cut a strip of fabric and glue it on to both sides. Now you can use anything that's kind of a thicker fabric like a canvas, but be sure that it's not a type of fabric that has any stretch to it. And I'm using a scrap of corduroy here. I've also used denim or regular canvas. You can use anything that you can get a strip of and that can absorb glue. So refer back to your original pattern and measure the area in between where your chest piece ends and your pelvis piece begins. And for this, it's about an inch. And then I also want to add about a ½ inch on each side so that I have enough fabric to glue on. So I have some Scrooge pieces here. This is my chest piece and my pelvis piece. And then I have scraps of corduroy. And you're going to use wood glue and glue all the way around. Now to make the stomach, I'm going to use some scraps of fabric. I'm using corduroy. This happens to be about 2 inches wide, and it should be long enough to make the stomach in between the chest and the pelvis. So use regular wood glue. And you're going to wood glue on the back of the pelvis plate. And gently set it onto your fabric strip. And again, put some wood glue on the back of your torso. And line that up. And sometimes I like to set that and let it wait overnight. But sometimes also you can go ahead and glue the sides. Now keep in mind, sometimes the pelvis and the torso are not going to be the same size around, so it may not fit in a snug, cylindrical way. But the beauty of this is it's under a costume, so. Wrap one side over the other like a burrito, and then when it's dry, you can cut off the excess. This is Puppets by Arlee, and this is how you make a marionette stomach.